So over here in Google Docs document, if you want to find out an image or you want to find out more about a certain topic, then you can simply select out the word that you want to search, and then you can right click on it and then click on explore the particular word. So in this case, it's lorem ipsum, as you can see. So if I were to click on explore, you can see that it opens up the Explorer window with the web results on the topic right here. You can go to images right over here to search out specific images for it, and you can go on Drive if you want to search for those words in the Drive. Similarly, I have computer software right here. I'm just going to right click on explore, and then there's nothing in my Drive for that, but in images you can find the related images, as you can see, and in web you can find out the respective software, as you can see right there, just like this. You can also right click over here and then click on define computer software. So what that does is it uses the dictionary to find definitions and synonyms of a word. So I'm just going to go around right here and select one word and click on define right over there, and then you can see that the particular word detail just comes up right over here. For software, I'm just going to go around here, right click and then define software, and you have the definition of a software just like that. So that is how you can explore and see the meaning of words inside of Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.